Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the bulb is a Wi-Fi model and that your router uses a 4 GHz network, because many bulbs won't join 5 GHz. Next, make sure your phone is connected to that same 4 GHz SSID and that you know the password. This simplifies pairing. Screw the bulb into its socket and power it on. Once the bulb blinks or shows its factory color, you're ready to add the device in the app Don't Skip, confirming the network band. Open the manufacturer app and create or sign into your account. This enables cloud control and firmware updates. Once signed in, tap Add Device and choose Lighting, then Smart Bulb. This categorizes the device for the right setup flow. The app will request your 4 GHz SSID and password. Enter them exactly as shown on your router. Tap Connect and watch the app and bulb exchange signals. When the app shows success, you'll see the bulb respond. Make sure the phone remains on the same network throughout. After the app confirms pairing, name the bulb and assign it to a room to keep control organized. You'll find group controls easier later. Adjust brightness and color to test responsiveness, and then link to a voice assistant if you want hands-free control. Grant the necessary permissions. If something goes wrong, perform a factory reset. Switch the bulb off and on 3 to 5 times until it blinks, then retry the setup. This reset clears prior network info and resolves most pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.